Hello everyone, hope you are well and know me. And if you don't know me, then here I am. Hello guys, this is Elzia. I'm into my early 20s and I make YouTube videos about my day-to-day life, struggles of living alone, adulting and much more. So let's roll on. If you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe to my channel, and to the old ones, welcome back to my channel. Keep watching and do subscribe. Hello everyone, I'm looking quite normal. I just took a shower and मेरे बाल अभी पूरे सूखे भी नहीं हैं. Not wearing much of makeup, it's just a bare face. आंखें दिखाती हूँ मेरी, देखो आंखें एकदम लाल लाल से हो जाती कभी कभी. Anyways, तो having classes, makeup I'm not doing much. I just wore some lip tint and I think eyebrows थोड़ी सी fix कर लेनी चाहिए. Right? So let's fix my eyebrows. So this is the eyebrow pencil. बेचारा unsharpened है, काम चल जाएगा मेरा. So I'm gonna sharp it like I'm in shape. ऐसे और just a bit here and more here. From the spoolie. Done. चलो बाहर चलते हैं. कभी कभी. But I wanted to look more cute, so ये little cute hearts. It's just a cheek tint basically. Okay, blended it well and this is how I look. I might open my hair later. चलो चलते हैं. Bye bye. So this was me getting ready. I did the bare minimum, just looked a little presentable, nothing on my face, just a little cheek tint and did my eyebrows. Here I am having my favorite pani puri to feed myself. I just really like this pani puri, पर pani puri से तो पेट नहीं भरता, so I went to eat something else. मेरा आज मंचूरियन खाने का बहुत मन कर रहा था. It's been days since I had a Manchurian, so here I am having my Manchurian. Do subscribe if haven't already. By the way, we are at La Multi Grain. So this is a cafe in Malve Nagar and I just love the type of Manchurian they serve. तो मैं हमेशा मंचूरियन खाने तो यहीं आती हूँ. So today was Sunday and I was just feeling a little low, so I decided कि बाहर जाऊँगी तो I might feel better, and this is going to be my dinner. So let's eat Manchurian. So this is a full bowl. I usually finish it because it's Sunday and I don't eat much in the morning. So easily हो जाएगा मेरा. And this look delicious. If you're two people and you just want to eat a little bit, then it will be enough for both of you. But if you're a single person and hungry since morning and you want something to fill your stomach, हाँ आपका पेट भर जाएगा अगर आप इसे अकेले खाना पसंद करेंगे तो. And here I am enjoying this. मतलब मंचूरियन तो कहीं भी मिल जाता है, यूजुअली हर कहीं नहीं मिलता. लाइक लो रेंज कैफ़ेज़ में तो मुश्किल मिलता है बिकॉज इसको बनाने में मेहनत लगती है, बट मीडियम रेंज अप रेंज कैफ़ेज़ में ये मिल जाता है हर जगह. बट मैं थोड़ी सी ना स्पाइस कॉन्शियस हूँ. लाइक मेरी स्पाइस टॉलरेंस बहुत ज़्यादा तो नहीं है, मीडियम है. एंड इनका जो ग्रेवी है वो भी मुझे बहुत टेस्टी लगता है, इसलिए इफ़ आई एम अप टू हेयर एंड हिटिंग अप अराउंड हेयर और मुझे यही चीज़ खानी है तो आई डू कम हेयर टू ईट दिस मंचूरियन. मैंने एक बार इसको फ्राइड राइस के साथ भी यहाँ लेकर देखा था, बट आई couldn't फिनिश इट एज़ यू नो. तो अब मैं सिर्फ मंचूरियन ही लेती हूँ. राइस मुझे इतने पसंद नहीं है, इसलिए इट्स बेटर टू हैव मंचूरियन ना. जो खा रहे हैं वही लेंगे. If any youngster watching my videos and thinking that moving out is very easy, funny and glamorous, yeah, it can be if you're an extrovert, but you are an introvert like me and you cannot make friends too easily and you like to be by yourself, it is going to be difficult for you, I see. So you can pick up an hobby to engage yourself, or just like me, travel around, explore some places and live the fullest of your life. But I must say being independent is really good, not for just for the freedom sake, but शायद आपके पेरेंट्स भी आप पे प्राउड करें that you are earning for yourself. And I really feel good that I am able to afford my lifestyle, mostly part of them. And you know, when I was a kid I always wanted to do all of this. And see, it's a cute baby. I think it's the elder cousin or sibling carrying a baby. So I was done for the meal and they bring the bill and this, you know, mouth freshener and sticks. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Take care. Bye bye.